Module 1, problem number 1, compute the critical value Z alpha over 2 that corresponds to an 80% level of confidence. I do recommend doing this at least once or twice by hand by using the standard normal distribution table that I linked to in the announcement, just to make sure you're familiar with how to read the table. However, I'm going to show you really quick how to do it in StatCrunch for those of you that want to get a little bit more familiar with the technology, especially because I know it references it in like the view an example and whatnot. So go to question help, StatCrunch. We're going to pop that open just to see it a little better. So you're going to go to stat calculators. And remember, we're looking at the normal distribution. So we're going to go down to normal. And it brings up this nice little graph that you can use. Remember, in this module, we're going through confidence intervals, which means we're looking for the area in between two critical values. We're looking for those critical values. So we're going to click on between. So you see now it shows us that shaded area in between two values. So here it's got between -1 and 1. Now, and I reference this in my lesson, I call this kind of like the reverse lookup. So we're not going to a critical value and seeing what the area is. Now we're saying, where are those critical values where the area is equal to a certain value? In this case, we're looking for an 80% level of confidence. So we're going to go down to the area and we're going to type in 0.8 and then click compute, and that gives us those critical values. So here it's 2816. We need to round to 2 decimal places, so that gives us 1.28 because we only need to give the positive value. Check answer. I hope that helps anyone working on the Module 3 homework this week. Let me know if you have any questions.